Hello guys, my name is Sagiruddin and I am CEO of ewebcraft. Since Google has launched many updates, the ranking factors have also been updated. I'm going to talk about the latest SEO and ranking factor in 2020 for local businesses. So if you would like to get more traffic, more calls and more revenue in coming days, this is the right time to know about latest ranking factors and SEO strategies and take action right away. Watch all the steps I'm going to mention and apply on your website. New websites are being launched and online competition is being increased. This is the right time to rethink about your content marketing and SEO strategies and the ranking factors. So let's dive into the latest SEO trend for 2020. So the first and foremost is feature snippet. You know that Google has developed a feature snippet in recent years to deliver better search experience for the users. It is also called zero-click search. So when you type something in Google searches, it shows the feature snippet above the first result. To take advantage of this feature and drive more traffic to your website, you need to provide clear answer to commonly asked questions for your website. It depends upon the quality of your content, and some of the websites we have developed in SEO Page Creator are providing the results in SERP. The second most important thing is secure website is must. If a user does not feel safe visiting a website, then they are likely to leave your website quickly. So securing your website is a must. It is important that enable your HTTPS protocol on your website, otherwise user will leave your website because they will see not secure message. The third one is make your website voice search optimized. Voice search trend is being increased day by day. Now people are leaving the habit of typing keywords into search engine. Voice searches affect SEO in a big way since it's all about the questions via voice instead of entering the queries. By the year 2020, it is expected that more than 50% of all internet searches will be initiated through voice. Knowing how to optimize your website for search engine can help you generate more traffic. So go ahead and optimize your website on a voice search. So ewebcraft.com can also help you to optimize your website. The number 4 is video as a source of information. So just as voice searches are becoming much more popular, videos on the internet are also exponentially on the rise. Studies from Google and other organizations show that 6 out of 10 people would rather watch online videos than television. Most of current internet users prefer to get more information through online videos, either for academic purposes or just for entertainment. So go ahead and make the video about your business, make the video about your blog. And to reach more traffic, you must have to optimize your video. You can use very good title, add description and add tags. So number 5th is high quality content. So high quality content is more important than ever. Since Google has launched BERT algorithm, new content have become king of the kings. Ads are going to be even more expensive in coming days, and unfortunately there is no guarantee that customer will respond to your ad. User will want content that is relevant, so you must have to consider creating high quality content, and it is essential element of effective SEO strategies. Because we create highly quality content and effective content for mass pages website, that is the reason Google like the pages created in SEO Page Creator. So you can also consider it. So number 6 is very important, which is manage reviews. According to some studies, almost 90 to 97% of consumers use reviews to search for local searches. Reviews has power to gain customers' trust, and they encourage people to buy your service, and you can win their interest with the company. So go ahead and manage your reviews. This is also very important if Google is able to show the stars on result page. I'm sure you have seen those stars on result page. Number 7 is most important, which is dominate your website into all cities. If you are offering your services for multiple cities, then you should consider converting your website into mass pages website, which will dominate your business in all cities. Either you are offering your services in one state or nationwide, mass pages will dominate your every single service into every single city. And when we make mass pages using SEO page creator, we create highly effective SEO perfect mass pages, and also brings more calls, more traffic towards your website. If you would like to set up a meeting with me, I have written the link below. You can just click on the link and you can contact me on Skype or WhatsApp, and on email also. You can schedule a meeting. Hope you like this video. Like it and subscribe this video.